Welcome back to the channel. It's Side After Dark. We're reacting to music. We're reacting to music that we've never heard before. And this time, the song is The Sad Sound of the World. And the artist is JULES SHEAR. Never heard of this artist or this song before, so I'm excited to check it out. This was a selection from our patron Paul Edwards. Shout out to you, Paul. We appreciate you. If you guys don't know, most of our reactions are chosen by our patrons on Patreon. Lovely people like Paul. So if you want to be awesome, you want to support the channel, tell us what to react to, and get live streams from us that are exclusive, then check us out at patreon.com/sideafterdark. But until then, let's listen to the song.
Still don't sleep out on our window ledge, 'cause I never knew what you wanted me to do, to push or to catch. Was it my imagination, or was it your desire that the window ledge made your bed kept looking higher?
The sad sound of the wind.
I want to say, first of all, I messed up the title. It's the sad sound of the wind, not sad sound of the world, but it could have been either, right? Somebody just say yes to make me feel better. We're going on tour! Right now, we're in the studio working on our second album, and when we're done, the plan is to do our first national tour.
The goal is to go from New York to LA and hit as many cities in between as possible, but we need your help to make that happen.
I don't know if you knew this, but recording an album and going on tour costs a lot of money, which we don't necessarily have. So we have a special deal right now. You can get our new live album, Live After Dark, plus a t-shirt delivered directly to your door for $29. So check it out on Bandcamp, help fund the tour, help us play a city near you, and we'll see you on the road. It was a nice sounding song. I'm not gonna act like it really like hooked me in a way that's different from like other pop music, I would say. It's something that it was like crazy different, but it sounded nice. I liked his voice. I liked the chords.
Yeah.
It was a solid song overall. Nothing that really like blew my mind though, I would say.
Yeah, he's just sad. So this girl left him. I thought that was sweet. Nice little vulnerable song there. I like the bass, the way that was running through the song. And yeah, this is not a song that I would go look for, on a playlist or anything like that. Where I would not mind, because usually they play a lot of drab songs on the soundtrack at work. So this is the type of music this will be one of the songs on the work soundtrack, I feel.
This definitely sounds like, now that you said that, this definitely sounds like a song that would be in the soundtrack of like an early 2000s indie movie.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? This is like in the montage where after the guy gets his heart broken and it's just like showing a montage of him being sad and like crying. It's playing the song.
Yeah, it's playing the song. It's playing the song you walk into Abercrombie or, Aeropostale or like, you know what I'm saying? Tommy Jeans.
Hollister.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's true. That's funny. But yeah, I mean, again, yeah, it was just a nice, lovely song. Nothing too crazy, nothing too deep, but you don't always need this something crazy and deep to have a good time, So,
Correct.
So shout out to Paul for bringing this to our attention. I never heard of JULES SHEAR before. I don't know anything about JULES. So tell us about JULES in the comments if you know JULES, if you like JULES, if you don't like JULES. I don't know.
I don't know. Where do you think they're from? I just want to say Seattle. I just want to say it.
I'll go with Seattle. It definitely sounds like a place where it rains a lot. I'm going to say Seattle or London. But I feel like they're not British. But JULES SHEAR sounds like a solo artist, right? JULES SHEAR. It sounds like someone's name. But that could be a band name too. I don't know. Whatever. You guys tell us in the comments if you know. So tell us how stupid we sound by asking all these questions. But until next time, we're S.A.D. After Dark. And we'll see you soon. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you made it to this point in the video, definitely make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. It really helps us out a lot.
And guys, you got to check out our merch. We've got all the links below for all our S.A.D. After Dark merchandise. You've got to get something.
Check us out on Patreon. All of our patrons help to determine what content we make. We put bonus content on there, and every single dollar helps us to continue making content like this.
Don't forget to listen to our music. Everywhere where you stream music, S.A.D. After Dark appears. So check out our music on all streaming platforms.
See you soon.